As you can see, this is, I think I started this one on the last video, but if you didn't, what we're doing is, this is PVC board, just like the others. This is an old Coca-Cola crate. This is what's left. There's just enough of it to make me want to put this together. When I spray on the clear coat, it's going to all pop nicely. I did a few tests, and I put this up there, and I really think that's too much. It doesn't work right for this. So what I'm going to do is, I did some testing with making a hook that I liked for this. And I like this. By the time it's all done, it's going to be held into place with a screw right in the middle. And it'll be probably 1, 2, 3, 4 evenly spaced. I'm going to see if I've got some metal to go on the outsides. But what the video today is going to be is, I'm going to walk you through making one of these. And you can see right here on the very corner is the bender that I'm the jig that I made. So I use this a lot for this. It's not an exact science, but we're gonna do the best we can do. And the coolest part is, this is what it's made out of. It's a high carbon steel. It's great for an oven. It's an oven rack. Everybody watching's got one. This steel I'll keep, and I'll use it for the forge. But I found this thin stuff doesn't really like forge work. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut one of these off, and I'm going to make one hook, just to walk you guys through. Then I'm not going to make y'all watch me making hook after hook after hook after hook. I don't think y'all would be very interested in that. But because I'm going to actually make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 32 hooks, because I'm going to go ahead and cut these two. All right, well, let's get to work. Okay. And so this is what we've got. Oh, what I'm going to do to taper it, so that's what we end up with. Now, the first thing we're going to work on, so I got a better set of those. First one we're going to work on is getting that turned over. And I will tell you that I make this look easy, but I have very strong hands from doing this for years. There we go. Especially getting that done. Okay. Then we're going to start just working this around. get it working, and the steel starts warming up just naturally. See what I'm doing? All right. Now, I want to go ahead and put a hook on this before I go too much further. So you can also see I've got that flexing out a little bit. So we're just going to do this. Trying to figure out, how did I do this? That's going to go. So I need to flex back. I'm going to flex that out just a little bit. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to wrap this around just like so, all the way around. And then I want you just pull it out a little bit. Now, as I do, like when I'm off camera, these I'm concentrating on in particular. But when I'm off camera, I'm going to be mass producing these basically. I'm just going to go one after the other. And the thing about that will be, that I'm going to be doing a bunch of them in a row. And when I do that, they'll start kind of standardizing almost. These two look kind of the same, but kind of different. This is longer, if you'll see, that on this one. Especially the hooks. The hooks are going to start becoming very standard as I make more of these. What I end up doing, I don't worry so much because I only need 4 of them to look the same across this to make it right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just pop these out, and then I'll start the next video and put together the Coke, and you'll be able to see them all put together. All right. Thanks so much.